Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making easy but yet delicious tuna salad. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below for easy access as always. To start with, I'm going to be opening 2 large cans of tuna. I'm using chunky light tuna. You can use any tuna of your choice. I will be draining all the water out, and after that I'll transfer the tuna into a bigger bowl. Moving on, I'm going to be chopping my vegetables. You can use any vegetables of your choice. I'm just going to chop my celery into very small bite pieces. I'll also be using onion, bell peppers, and also some parsley. After chopping everything together well, I'm going to be adding them onto my bowl of tuna. I'll chop my parsley into fine texture as well. Now I'm going to add all the veggies, the celery, the onions, the bell pepper, and also the parsley onto the tuna mix. And I'll add some lemon juice, some mayo, salt and pepper to taste. And at this point, I'm just going to use my spatula or ladle, anything you have, to mix everything very well until it is well combined. Once everything is well mixed, you can serve this with your crackers. You can also serve it as a sandwich with the bread and lay it over your lettuce. And you can also use as a dip for your chips. It is easy to make, it is nutritious, and I know kids particularly will love it, and every member of the family is gonna love it. You can use it for outdoor picnics. You can use it as a starter for your visitors. There are so many ways that you can serve this simple salad. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one for more videos. Bye.